Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to do a quick DIY, but before I get started on that, I want to thank you guys so much for your support and your comments. I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I hope that you'll like it, and if you do, I just ask that you give me a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and consider being a subscriber. Would love for you to join our family. This DIY is going to be very easy, and it consists of 2 of the Dollar Tree candle holders. These are different. They're made from clay. I'm not quite sure how I feel about them, but they're different than the regular ones that we've always used. So this makes it a little bit nicer to be able to change up a bit. So I'm going to use 2 of those from the Dollar Tree, and Hobby Lobby has this trim, and it's made out of metal, and I really like it. Hobby Lobby have unique and beautiful things. I love shopping there, so if you have a Hobby Lobby close by you, go ahead and check them out. This is $5.99. And you can use a 40%. That's the highest that they go. They only give away 40% off their regular price, but they have amazing clearance. They do clearances up to 80% off, which is really nice. So what I did, I went ahead and measured the top of my candle holder and go ahead and use the scissors to clip off the size you need. Now this candle holder that I'm getting ready to do, it reminds me of a candle holder I did Bed Bath and Beyond and Body Works. They sell all these different candle holders that you can put your glass candles into, and I just love them. I did a DIY on one of them before, so I'll try and get the link. It's been a while, so I'll see if I can link it to this video so you can check that one out. So this is similar to that DIY that I did previously. So you will need your trim from the, don't know, I have not seen them anywhere else but Hobby Lobby, but I'm sure they are being sold somewhere else. So you'll need your trim, you'll need your 2 candle holders, you'll need your glue gun and glue sticks, and I'm not quite sure yet if I am going to add any stone to this. I do believe that I am going to spray paint it because I would like to have them all one color. So let's go ahead and lay our glue down. And guys, I have not done this, so I do not know if the glue is going to be sufficient for this wire. So I'm hoping that it is. I'm hoping that the glue holds it. So far, it seems like it's being held okay. I'm just basically laying my glue down onto the bottom edge of the existing candle holder. And it seems to be holding, so that's nice. Just make sure it is lined up with the other side. Let's see, now this is the test to see, will it hold together? to be holding. Oh, you just can't move it after you've put it down. Alright, well, let me go ahead and do the other one. We'll come back and we'll find a glass or a candle to put on the inside, and I'll decide if I want to spray paint it so that it has one color. Okay? Okay guys, so I went ahead and got the DIY I was mentioning. This is the Dollar Tree candle holder that I have, and I absolutely love it. I keep it in my kitchen. So that's what I was mentioning to you. Love, love, love. This is the finished product of what I have. And I'm thinking I want to I love that. I love the way it looks, but I'm thinking I want to go out and spray paint it and make it silver. So the whole thing is silver, so it looks like it's one piece. I'm not quite sure what you think. Let's do it. Let's go ahead, spray paint it silver and see how the whole thing looks. If I don't like it, I can always spray paint it back black. All right. Okay guys, so this is how it's turned out. I absolutely love it. I hope you do too. I decided that I was going to do it in rose gold because that's a popular color right now. And I just love the way it looks. I think for $3, the candle holders from the Dollar Tree were $1 each. And then the calculating the strip of trimming, I mean, I say 50 cents each. So for $3, I think this is a fabulous look for $3. And if one wants to calculate the paint, I don't know how you could do that. It did not take much to spray paint it at all because of it being black. It automatically absorbed the paint. So it was a quick, easy, inexpensive DIY. I think it would make a really nice statement in your home. Alright guys, and if you want to use the cylinders, these are the Dollar Tree cylinders, so you'll calculate $2 more. So for $5, you have something that is fabulous. Alright, give me a thumbs up if you do like this video and share with your family and friends. If you are not a subscriber, I hope that you will consider being a subscriber. Hit the subscribe button and become a part of our family. Thank you again, and I will see you on my next video.